Hello, welcome to the tutorial of the general overview of Happier. Basically, the various flows which you will have to use while using the app Happier. You would need to begin your Happier journey by hitting on Create Entry. Let's do that. So once you have clicked on Create Entry, the UI asks you what you are up to. So essentially, you need to choose all the icons which you did. For example, I did gym, I ran, and I hung out with a few friends. Then you're going to click next. Next, it's going to ask you like who are you with. For example, me, I was with Christian and my best friend Mark. Then you hit next. Now it asks you to rate your happiness level. Now I'm going to think about like how happy I feel right now, and I'm going to rate myself as say a 5. So now I want to rate this for like a particular time. I want to rate this at like 9:28 p.m. today and not at 20:28 p.m. You can do it for like yesterday as well. You can create the log for yesterday as well. I'll write some notes with respect to this event. For example, I'm going to write haven't hung out, had not hung out with Christian in a while. Submit. That's it. You have created the entry. Now you can view all of your entries here. And by clicking on the entry, you can either expand or collapse it. You can filter the entries based on month and based on year. Let's go to all the stats. You can view the top activities for a given time range, the top friends for a given activity in a given time range, top friends, top activities with a given friend, the impact of each activity or friend over time, the impact of happiness, essentially like how your happiness is varied over time. This is essentially the same graph which is present in the homepage. Mood swings, essentially like how your mood is swinging over time. It's essentially the diff between the two entries, happiness, impact. You can also view the streak, the number of days you have been logging consistently, your maximum streak, current streak, and other information. You can also view how you fare against the rest of the world in terms of taking care of your mental health, which is the leaderboard. You can click on the side menu here, like you can add reminders, you can like basically know more about the app, you can send us feedback, you can share it with the world, and you can log out. And also, last but not least, you can ask for help by clicking on the question mark. Help essentially basically tells you about that particular page and also gives information about the various video tutorials. That's about it. This is all you need to know about the general workflow of the Happier app. Thanks a lot for watching this, and again, thank you for using Happier.